You guys, okay, it's a wonderful day. It's good to see you guys back again. So, I just want to quickly give you guys some quick exercises, especially for those who just came back from a holiday. I know it's actually a tough time to get back to gym. I can see so many of my clients are actually struggling. So that is why I've decided to give you guys this quick this. It's something but it's just how you mix it is what matters most. So just relax and feel and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it as well, so that everyone who just came back from a vacation can say that yeah, this is the best exercise to get back to your fitness level.
We train for. Feet we train for.
It's all about the feet way.
Feet way train for.